In the world of increasingly complex and infinitely miniaturizing technology, precision inspection and adaptability are paramount for success. Excelitas introduces the Optem Fusion Modular Microscopy Lens System. The Fusion system combines field-proven performance with unmatched versatility to offer an easily integrated micro-imaging platform. Whether you require high-throughput inspection automation or high-resolution detection of minute defects, Optem Fusion offers precision imaging to solve nearly any micro-imaging and inspection scenario. With a comprehensive portfolio of interchangeable modules, Optem Fusion enables rapid configuration into a variety of microscopy solutions.